Water's a little chilly, isn't it?
Yeah. It's so chilly.
Oh, it's chilly.
It's yum.
Look at her nose. Get all that hair out of the goggles. And then suction it.
Shit.
Now go.
GoPro.
Thank you.
It's trying to be nice.
Fish that swim around you the entire time. It's so cool. So right now I'm in Captain Cook Bay. This place is famous for the last standing for Captain Cook, who died right over there on that shoreline. Killed by the native Hawaiians here. I don't know the whole story behind why that happened or how that happened, but pretty wild story. So his boat would have been docked right out here. Right here in this harbor. It's also a really cool hike to come down this way. But his boat and the people on his boat were they were doing target practice and stuff like that up here on this hillside against the cliff. Which is now home to a lot of birds. whole area that I'm in right now is so cool. Look at the cliff. I'm in like a little cove or something like that. It's so cool. Look at there's people. You can't see them, but there's people kayaking right out there through that little gap. But the wildlife within this tiny cove is insane. Awesome. Let's take a look. I gotta get back so that Jeff can go snorkeling. Oh, there comes the current. Okay, here we go. Get a picture with
Yeah, but there's a boat ramp. They drive through those rocks over there.
oh my god, no
And then,
way.
yeah.
Realized I took this video before, but I wasn't actually taking the video, I was taking a picture. I'm in the middle of the ocean. Not the middle of the ocean, actually kind of the middle of the ocean. We're in the Pacific Ocean, in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. There's Jeff's boat behind me. Jeff drove me here. I'm at 2 steps. And as far as plant reviews go, I got a big one. Probably the biggest piece of coral reef I've ever seen in my entire life. My nose is getting full of water. I'm getting kind of tired. I'm going to go back to the boat.
And they have you reel in. We keep moving. We don't shut the boat down. We just keep it moving.
Yeah.
You might need to reel one of these in to get it out of the way, kind of thing. Like a monster face.
Yeah.
The green.
Oh, I can see that.
Yeah. Straight out.
Yeah, straight in front of us, right there.
Gotta have their own private road too. Real longitude right there, Sam. Yeah.
All right, I'm here at Target getting ready to start the 5K, and excited and nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. It's not, I mean, it is a race, but I don't really care what time I get, so should be fun. We'll see though. And the best part about all of it is, as soon as you're done with the run, that's all you can drink beer at like 8:30 in the morning. So let's go give it a try. I'm at the starting line. I'm wearing this vest, that way this time I can actually have my phone in a pocket And then this GoPro I'll just mount right here. I'm not excited about bringing a GoPro. I feel like it's just unnecessary weight, but I don't really care. I'll get through it. The vest sucks too, but I kind of need to carry all my crap. Oh yeah, and then I also have my headphones in here and car keys, so there's nowhere for me to leave a backpack over here, so I'd kind of have to wear this.
All 10 pairs to the start line. 2 minutes to start time. For this, the run for us, 10K, 2 minutes to start time. Kona Brewers Festival Run for Hops. And as of right now, this is the last Run for Hops. Big group of 5 pairs here. And Daddy Chad and Rag. There's a 10K right there. There's James, Janelle, Don, Sadie, Dominic, and Janet Miller with pipe words. Miles? Oh yeah, that's right. Give it up for Miles, everybody. Give it up
All right, my run is done. Ceremonies are going on. I'm certain I didn't win anything, so I just left. And now headed back to the condo, pack up our stuff, go to my parents' house, figure out what to do from there. Fun stuff. Shout out to Hawaii 365. Check out their YouTube channel. Saw them there at the run. That was fun too. But yeah, beautiful day. You can't see it, but the volcano, one of the volcanoes, the mountainside right up behind this wall. There it is. Oh, there's a tree. There it is. It's the last farewell.
It's been fun.
Basura, fruit.
Will you grab the fruit?
Yeah.
We got all the things. I closed the door. Oh, they're screaming. Let's go. Coming! Yes! What?
Oh, good. Bananas just fell apart the seams here. And put them with the piles. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana. This is the last year of the condo. Spent a lot of years here. A lot of good memories. Very sad to see it go. And that's it.
Maverick and Jesse are coming into their own too. They can play out there.
Yeah. They're really close in age, right?
And they're all about
7 5th grade classes.
between 25 and 30 years.
So ours was
That's a lot.
very